Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join in this delightful DIY tutorial as I show you how to create super amazing home decor. With just a few simple materials and a bit of creativity, you'll be able to fashion your very own adorable accessory in no time. Grab two colors of your favorite yarn and let's get started on this heartwarming project. As you have seen, I counted out 10 teeth from the comb and wrap around the two colors of wool, 5 lines of each color. Then tie to secure. Cut off the excess end of one color. Then attach needle at the extension of the other color. Use that to sew and secure the middle of the woolen design. After that, sew to secure both ends. Now, pull the woolen design out from the comb. Clap together the design, then sew to form round shape. Please guys, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Wrap around the wool 5 times on top of the design to make a base. After that, sew the base. Make little pieces 6 and join them together. Attach a medium-sized bead right at the center to make the design flawless. I trust you all will find this tutorial captivating and easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon.